Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
Good evening, all. I hope my voice is audible.
Susmita, 1 second. Please wait for 1 minute.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Students will wait for 2 minutes, then the sir will start the session.
Yes, guys. Good evening, guys. Can you please give the reply? Good evening, Madhuri ma'am. Yes. No. Guys, coming to the selection starter in the today's session, let me focus on the some speed up of our syllabus. Guys, In the selection sort, coming to the selection sort, only the example explained, but the code not explained, but code not explained and code also not executed. Code not explained and code also not executed. So can I go for the execution of the code? Can I go for the execution of the code? Can you answer? Reply. Can you reply? Hello, guys. Yes. Now let me go for the algorithm. Today my target is let me complete the selection sort and let me complete the stacks also. Stacks. And tomorrow I need to go for the queues. And the day after tomorrow I need to go for the linked list. Fine. Yeah. If you don't mind, just 10 minutes, I will take the time here. Then let me explain selection sort again here. Basic example. Let me go for the selection sort again here. Can you tell the array elements? Can you people tell the array elements? Yeah, Srivastava, at the end of the session, I will discuss with you. Yeah. Can you tell the some array elements? Like then I will go for the one basic example on the selection sort. Then I will go for the algorithm. Then I will go for the execution of the code also. Fine. Now tell me here. 7. 7. Any number. 4. Next one. 10. Next one. 8. Next one. 3. Next one. 1. Fine. And whatever the array we have, this array we can call unsorted array. Whatever the array we have, this array we can call unsorted array. And here, whatever the array we have, then this array we can call sorted array. Srivastava, please tell me, this is what? This is which array? Unsorted array. And this is which array? And this is which array? Sorted array. Whatever the array we have, then that array we can call sorted array. Fine. Consider first element. Consider the first element. Simply, I need to consider the first element. Consider the first element. Based on the first element, find out the least element. I wanted to find out the least element. Fine. Guys, will you tell what is the least element? What is the least element? Srishti, just let me explain one example, then I will go for the algorithm. Srishti, you told like already completed, but let me explain one example because they will forget it now. After that, then I will go for the algorithm directly. Fine. Can you please explain? Consider first element. I want you to consider first element. After considering the first element, now find out the least element. Can you tell the least element? One is the least element now. To compare all the elements, I'm thinking like one is the least element. Fine. After finding the least element, do the exchange. I wanted to do the exchange. Whatever the exchange we have, that exchange I wanted to perform. Try to perform the exchange here. After performing the exchange, can you tell the final array here? After performing the exchange, can you tell the final array? Tell the final array. 1, 4, 10, 10, 8, next 3, 3, next 7. 7. Now consider this is the sorted array. This is the sorted array. Next one, this is the unsorted array. Left side we can call the sorted array and the right side we can call the unsorted array here. Nothing. See this one. Consider first element. Consider first element. And find out the least element. Can you tell the least element here? Least element is the 3. Whatever the least element is there, the least element is the 3 here. Fine. Next one. Do the Srivastava. Let me continue the session. Srivastava, kind request is the let me continue the session. At the end, I will talk with you. Srivastava, put your complete brain on the algorithm. At the end, definitely today, at the end, I will spend around 10 to 15 minutes of time. Then I will talk with you. Then I will start all your notes. Fine. Now see this one. Do the exchange here. I want to do the exchange. Whatever we have, this one I need to do the exchange again. Try to do the exchange. After performing the exchange, can you tell the final output? Can you tell the final output? Tell the final output here. You people need to tell. 1, reply. 1, 3, 1, 3, next one, 10, next one, 8, 8 after the 8, which one? 4, next one is the 7. 7. Now then tell me, which one is the sorted array? This is the sorted array. Coming to left side, we can call the sorted array here. Coming to the right side, consider the first element. I wanted to consider the first element and find out the least element. I wanted to find out the least element. This is the least element. And do the exchange. I wanted to do the exchange. Whatever the exchange we have, that exchange I wanted to perform. Try to perform the exchange. Simply, I wanted to perform the exchange. Exchange. Whenever we perform exchange, can you tell the answer? 1, 3, anyone? 1, 3, 4, 4, 4, next one, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, next one is the 8 to 10, next one is the 7. Yes, sir. Can you tell the sorted array? Which one is the sorted array? This is the sorted array. Whatever we have, this one we can call the sorted array. Whatever we have, this one we can call the sorted array. Right side we can call unsorted array. Coming to the right side we can call the unsorted array. In the unsorted array, consider the first element. Consider the first element and compare the least element. I wanted to compare with the least element. Whatever the least element we have, that least element I need to compare here. And do the exchange. We should be in a position, we need to do the exchange here. No, it's wrong. Na? It's wrong. So this is the sorted array. Na? Why? So which one is the sorted array? Up to the 4 is the sorted array. Na? Up to the 4 is the sorted array. Now do the exchange here. I wanted to do this exchange. Whatever the exchange we have, we should be in a perform. We should be in a position. We need to do the exchange. Yeah. After performing the exchange, can you tell the answer? Ma'am, can you tell the answer? 1, 3, 4, 4, 7, 7, 10, 10, 7, 10. Next one is the 8. Can you tell the sorted array here? Can you tell the sorted array here? Sorted array. Which one is the sorted array? Which one is the sorted array? Whatever the array we have, then this array we can call the sorted array. And compare these two elements and do the interchange. Compare these two elements and we need to perform the interchange here. Try to do the interchange. Simply, we need to perform the interchange. Whenever we perform the interchange here, so what is the answer? 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. 8 to 10. Fine. Someone asked, sir, what is the sorting name? Can you tell the sorting name? Someone asked the message, sir, this is which sorting? Which sorting? Selection sorter. Whatever the sorting technique we have, then this is sorting technique. Technically, we can call selection sorting here. Yes. Now, finally, all elements are sorted here. Whatever the elements are there, finally, all the elements are sorted here. Fine. Tarun, first of all, let me explain this one. Time complexity, I will explain. Wait here. And automatically, all the elements will be sorted. Fine. Now, let me share the screenshot. Whatever the screenshot we have here, I wanted to share the screenshot to you. Yes, I shared the screenshot. Fine, guys. After sharing the screenshot, guys, just don't take the much time. Never take the hours and hours of time. Just to take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. 5 to 10 minutes of time, then start it. Guys, is it visible? Whoever watching on the YouTube, are you able to see this one? Whoever watching on the YouTube, are you able to see this one? Can I increase the font size? Yeah, next one. Right answer. Your answer is the right. 20, 100, 100, 2, 50, 50, 1, 1, 5, 5, 15. Guys, just to take the 2 minutes of time. Just to take the 2 minutes of time and write the code for this one. Just to take the 5 minutes of time. I'll give the 5 minutes of time and write the code. Quick, guys. Quick, don't take the much time, guys. Please take the 5 minutes of time and share the screenshots to me. Quick, then I will go for the rough algorithm. Yes, so whoever completed, can you share the screenshots also? Take the pen and paper and do that one and share the screenshots. Whoever watching on the YouTube also, please do the sorting. No one doing that. I'm waiting here. Only one member done. Srivastav and the 5 to 6 members done. This is funny. Srivastav, wait here. Let me check it out. Srivastav, wait here. Did you identify the list element? Yes. Done. Day after tomorrow, I will cover it up. Day after tomorrow, I will cover the linked list. Guys, leave the questions. Guys, please write the code for this one. Because we will request the ExcelR people, even the taking the time, we will request it. But instead of that one, I'm requesting you put the focus on this problem. Never raise the questions like, sir, when we will complete the graph or tree something here. Today I will complete the sorted list and the stacks, also some basic examples on the stacks. Tomorrow queues, day after tomorrow we need to go for the day after tomorrow we need to go for the that one, which one, like a linked list is and time complexity and a hacker rank. At any cost, by the end of this weekend I will complete it. Nice, guys. Around 10 to 15 members they done the coding. Yes. Can I go for the algorithm? Can I go for the algorithm, guys? Let me go for the algorithm. How we can write the algorithm? Can I continue or can I wait for a few more minutes? Yes, let me say this one. Let me go for the basic algorithm. How we can write the algorithm? Okay. How we people can write the algorithm? Okay, now check this one. 1 minute. Let me write the algorithm also. How we can write the algorithm? Okay. Now, guys, First of all, we need to go to number of iterations. Na? Answer, we should go for the number of iterations. Now, this is the pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4, pass 5. Number of iterations are there. Na? Initially, we need to go through the number of iterations. Am I right or not? Am I right or not, guys? Initially, we need to go to the number of iterations. So, can you tell the code how to work with the number of iterations? For answer, for int I equal to 0, I less than array dot I less than array dot length minus 1, array dot length minus 1. Next one is the I plus plus. Guys, why this for loop? Why this for loop? Can you answer why this for loop? Why this for loop? Number of passes. Na? Say this one. This is the pass 1. This is the pass 2, pass 3, pass 4, pass 5. Number of passes. For the number of iterations, we should be in a position. We need to take the for loop. Fine. Next one. After taking the for loop, then we need to compare the first element with all other elements. Na? We need to compare. We need to compare. Take the first element and compare with all other elements. Take the first element, we need to compare with all other elements. To compare with all other elements, once again, we need to take the one more for loop now. Aruna, say this one. Aruna, say this one. Take the first element. This first element, we should compare with all other elements. Compare and find out the list element. Compare and find out the list element. So, in order to do that one, then we need to take one more inner loop. How we can take the one more inner loop? But before taking the inner loop here, let me, for my easiness, I need to take the one variable, one local variable into min equal to I, but no need to take it. But for my comfortable, I'm taking the min equal to I or something we are taking care. Now, take the one more loop. For int j equal to I plus 1. We need to compare with the second element onwards. Na? We need to compare with the second element onwards or not? We need to compare with the second element onwards. So that's why we are placing the I plus 1. Next one, say this one, j less than array dot length. Next one is the, here we need to go for j plus plus. We should go for j plus plus. Let me write a little bit of comment also. Why this for loop? Why this for loop? For number of iterations. Guys, why this for loop? Comparing elements. Comparing first element with all other element. Fine. Can I compare the element? How we can compare the element here? If say this one, a of j. If a of j in the sense first element or not? Fine. Less than, if it's a less than a of min element. Little bit focus is required. A of min element. Automatically here itself we need to go for the min equal to j. Automatically we need to go for the min equal to j. Next one. Close this one. Don't panic, guys. By seeing this one, you may little bit panic. Through the example, then we can get the clarity. Now, say this one. Here we need to go to the, and here we need to go to the inner for loop. I need to close. Let me go to the inner for loop here. Then we need to swap or not, because this element and this element we need to swap or not. When we need to swap here, when we need to swap here, if min not equal to I, if minimum not equal to I here, then we need to perform the swap operation. Which operation we need to perform? Swap operation. How we can work? We can perform the swap operation. Which element we need to swap? I with which element we need to swap? Min element. Min element we need to swap here. Now here, and one more thing is the close the if condition. We need to post the if condition, and we need to post the algorithm. So fine. Wait, guys, don't panic here. Then you can get the clarity on this one. Fine. Assume this one. Rough idea I need to provide. Why this for loop? Can anyone tell here why this for loop? This is a for loop for outer iterations. And why this for loop? This is a for loop for comparison. One element we need to compare with what? One element we need to compare with the first element we need to compare with the all other elements. Fine. For example, if it is a less secure, whenever it is a left here, then we need to perform the exchange. Whatever we have here, then we need to perform the exchange here. Then this is the code. Fine. Please note on this one. Then I need to go for the basic example in this area. Just take the rough notes. Then through the coding, you can get the clarity. No, Tarun, no, I'm writing the rough code. Don't think that's a predefined code. No, I'm writing the rough code. Tarun, I'm writing the rough code. Don't think swap is the predefined function. Never say swap is the predefined function. That is my own function. Then you need to create it. Swap it. We need to swap that elements. I element with the min element we need to swap. Do the execution also. Can I go for the execution? Let me take the screenshot here. I wanted to go through the execution also. Try to have a look into the execution. Can I go for the online compiler? Take the online compiler. After taking the online compiler, do the coding along with me. You people should do the coding along with me. Fine. Guys, can I take one array here? Yes, let me take the array. Int array ARR equal to. Let me take the few elements. 7, 4, 7, 4, 10, 8, 8, 3, 1. 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 4, 10, 8, 3, 1. 7, 4, 10, 8, 3, 1. Try to take it. Fine. Next one. Guys, take the outer loop. I want to take the outer loop here. How we can take the outer loop? Anyone? How we can take the outer loop here? For int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0. I less than, what we need to place? ARR dot length. ARR dot length minus 1. Length minus 1. Next one. Go through which one? I plus plus. Why this for loop? Can you answer why this for loop? This for loop. This for loop is used to for iterate a number of passes. Fine. Take one variable. We need to take one variable. Int min equal to. Which variable we need to take? Simply we need to take the I variable. Fine. And compare the side by side elements. I want to compare the side by side elements here. How to compare side by side elements? Anyone? For int into j equal to what? Into j equal to I plus 1. Into j equal to I plus 1. J less than ARR dot length. Next one is the which one? J plus plus. Here. Simply we need to go for the J plus plus and check it. Check the minimum element. I need to check the minimum element. So how to check the minimum element here? If ARR of j, less than ARR of min element. Here. Check it. So here min equal to what? Min equal to j. Simply we need to place the min equal to j here. Fine. Now do the exchange here. We should be in a position. We need to do the exchange. How we can do the exchange? Exchange here. If min not equal to. If min not equal to. First of all, execute it. Then I will tell the tips to remember this logic. Fine. Int temp equal to. Into temp equal to what we need to take? ARR of I. Into temp equal to ARR. Exchange, guys. I need to exchange. I with the temp element, I need to exchange. Next one. ARR of I equal to. I need to go for ARR of min element. ARR of min element. Next one, ARR of min element. ARR of min element we need to store with the which one temp we need to store. Fine. Now it's completed here. Fine. After completing this one, then we should be in a position whenever we complete this one here. Whenever we complete this one here, then happily we need to print the final array now. We should be in a position we need to print the final array. Fine. Can you tell me how to print the final array? I wanted to print the final array. Can I take the loop here? Try to take the loop up. Simply, we need to take the loop here. How we can take the loop? How we can take the loop here? Tell me how we can take the loop here. Now, go to the for loop. This for loop closer here. Take the loop. How we can take the loop here? For int int element. For int element. Colon what? Array. Fine. How to print it? We need to print it. Sys out. Not sys out. Simply we need to go to the println. Println of. Simply we need to go to the println. Println of. We need to go to the element. Element will be sorted. Then do this one. Then I will tell the importance of this logic and how to remember this logic. I will tell you. Yeah, Nandini, I can understand, Nandini. So many people, they are not getting the logic here, but I will tell. First of all, execute the snippet, then I will tell how to remember this logic. Make it faster. Once if you're able to run the code, let me know. Then I will explain the logic. Once if you people are able to run this code, let me know the confirmation. Let me know the confirmation. Then I will take one element, then I will go for the execution. I shared the screenshot also. Please go to the screenshot. Yes, let me go for the explanation. Still, if you are executing the code, then stop the execution. Then after the explanation, then you can execute again. Still, if you're executing the code, stop the execution. After the session, you can execute it. Guys, so what is I value? Reply. You people need to reply. What is I value? What is I value? Answer. I equal to 0. See this one. You people told I equal to 0. Two minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Now see this one. I value equal to 0. 0. Guys, is this condition true or false? Is this condition true or false? Say yes or no. I equal to 0, I less than array dot length of minus 1. Is it true or false? True. Is it true or false? True. Once true, min equal to, what is the min value? What is the min value? Min equal to 0. What is the min value? Min equal to 0. Am I right or not? I equal to what? I equal to 0, min also 0. Everyone should understand, guys, what is the I value? What is the I value? 0. Condition is the true. If the condition is the true, what is the min value? Min equal to 0. Fine. Now, guys, tell me, what is the J value? What is the J value? J value. 0 plus 1. J value is the 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means, what is the answer? 0 plus 1 means, what is the answer? 1. Guys, is this condition true? Is this condition true? 1 less than 5. Is this condition true? Yes or not? Condition is the true. Whenever the condition is the true, we need to compare it. ARR of 1 less than ARR of 0. Am I right or not? See this one. ARR of 1 less than ARR of 0. Am I right or not? ARR of 1 less than ARR of 0. Is it right? Is it right? ARR of 1. What is the ARR of 1? What is the ARR of 1? Answer. What is the ARR of 1? 4. What is the ARR of 0? 7. So is this condition true? Yes, sir, this condition is true. If condition is true, min equal to J. Min equal to J. So min equal to J means what? Min equal to J means what? 0 replaced with 0 replaced with what? Coming to the 0. 0 replaced with 1. 0 replaced with what? Coming to the 0. The 0 replaced with the 1. Now, got it or not? Fine. Next one. Now, guys, please give the answer again here. J plus plus. Here, guys, J plus plus. Now we need to go to the J plus plus here. J plus plus in the sense, what is the J initially? What is the J initially? J initially is 1 or not? J initially 1. That 1 replaced with what? That 1 replaced with what? That 1 replaced with the 2. Whatever the 1 is there, that 1 replaced with the 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. True or false? 2 less than 5. True. True. If it is a true, A of 2 less than A of 1. See this one. ARR of 2 less than ARR of 1. ARR of 1. Check it out. ARR of 2 less than ARR of 1. What is the ARR of 2? What is the ARR of 2? 10. What is the ARR of 1? What is the ARR of 1? Answer. 10 less than 10 less than 4. 10 less than 4. Is it right? Is it right? No. False. False in the sense, will it execute? Will it execute? Answer. No, it won't execute. It won't execute. Once again, we need to go for what? Once again, we should go for what? J plus plus. J plus plus in the sense, what is the 2 converted to? 2 converted to what's the 2? 2 converted to 3. Now, whatever the 2 we have, that 2 converted to 3. Guys, 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. Answer. 3 less than 5. True. 3 less than 5. True. So, ARR of 3 less than ARR of 1. ARR of 3 less than ARR of 1. Reply. ARR of 3. What's the ARR of 3? 8 less than. What's the ARR of 1? 1. Tell me. 8 less than 4. Is it true? Is it true? False. False in the sense, this code never execute. Whatever the code we have, this code never execute here. Fine. And another thing. J plus plus. J plus plus. 4 na. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. Am I right or not? 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. ARR of 4. What is the ARR of 4? What is the ARR of 4? Answer. What is the ARR of 4? 3 na? 3. 3. Next one. Less than. 3 less than 4. Is it true or false? Yes, sir. True in the sense. True in the sense. What is the minimum value? True in the sense. What is the minimum value? Minimum equal to what is the minimum value? Minimum equal to, now it's converted to 4. Minimum equal to, finally it will convert to 3 or 4. 4. It converted to 4 here. Remember that one. So finally min value is the 4. Next one. Guys, once again, j plus plus 5. 5 less than 5. True or false? True or false? False. False in the sense, so the loop will exit or not? The loop will exit here. Now, answer here. Finally, what is the min value? What is the min value? What is the min value? 4. What is the I value? What is the I value? 0. 4. What is the I value? I value is the 0. So, 0, 4 not equal to 0. 4 not equal to 0. Right or not? Right in the sense, so we need to exchange the elements or not? We need to exchange the element. Which element we need to exchange? 0th element we need to exchange with the 4th element. 0th element we need to exchange with the 4th element. Fine. So guys, instead of explanation of us, you people need to take the pen and paper, you need to sort out it. Whenever you sort out it here, then you can get the 100% clarity. Fine. Yeah. Guys, can you get the 5 to 10 minutes of time? Can you sort out this code? Can you please sort out this code? Yes, sir. Take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Take the pen and paper and sort out the code. Then you can get the logic of the selection sorter. Do it fast, guys. Take the pen and paper and calculate the I value and calculate the J value. Then you can get it. Not 1 or 2 members. I hope so many people, they're bouncing to understand this logic. Do it, guys. I'm giving the time to you. I'm giving the time to you. Take the pen and paper and sort out this logic. Gnanashyam, repeat in the sense, can you please understand this one? Gnanashyam, I will tell one point here. Gnanashyam, see this one. I equal to what? Only you person, only yourself you need to repeat. I equal to what? If you say answer, then I can do something. I equal to what? Gnanashyam? Shyam. If you reply, then I can give the answer to you. Shyam, what is I value? 0. Hamant, at least you need to reply. What is the min value? What is I value? What is the min value? 0. Okay, na? What is the J value? What is the J value? Anyone? 1. Now, check it. ARR of 1 less than ARR of 0. ARR of 1 less than ARR of 0. If this condition is satisfied, change the min value. Change the min value here. Fine. Yeah, Allu, please tell me which help you required. Allu send the message, then I will try to reply. Srivastav, are you doing are you tracing this code with the help of pen and paper? Srivastav. Trace this code with the help of pen and paper. Instead of depending on us, you need to take the pen and paper. Then you need to trace out it. Line number 14. See this one. Exchanging. This is a condition for interchanging. Tarun, share the screenshot. I hope you done with the pen and paper. Share the screenshot. Share the screenshot. Whoever done with the pen and pencil. Ravitesa, it's not possible, Ravitesa. I given the hint to you, Ravitesa. I given the hint to you. Kottapalli Ravitesa, given the hint to you. What is the I value, Ravitesa? 0. What is the min value? 0. What is the j value? 1. And check this condition. Check this condition. After checking this condition, if the condition satisfy, min value changing. Min value changing. We're gonna take the pen and paper and trace out it. Trace out it. If you trace out it, then array will be sorted by using selection sort. Because we started with the 0 money. We started with the 0. Money take the 1. If we take the 1 here, then remove the -1. That's a basic question of money. At line number 10. Min equal to j. I'm changing the min value. I'm changing the min value. Nandini. I'm changing the min value. At line number 10. Say this one. Nandini, what is the min value initially? 0. Okay, na? Fine. If this condition is satisfied, I want to change the 0 to some other value. Why? Because to perform the interchange. Hello, please answer. Just to send the question, I will repeat you. YouTube, whoever watching on the YouTube, take the pen and paper and trace out it. Line number 14. Line number 14 is nothing but the exchanging. Swami say this one. Exchanging. For example, diagram. Did you remember the diagram? I done the exchange. Yeah, exchange here. We are doing the exchange. First element we exchanged with the min element. So that is to exchange it only, we are taking this condition. Can I wait or can I continue with the stack? Yes. Guys, let me continue with the stack here. After the session, please take the pen and paper. Then you need to start out it. Fine. Now, guys, so what is the stack? Can you answer what is the stack here? Is it a linear data structure or random data structure? Is it a linear data structure or a random data structure? Linear data structure. Linear. Someone saying the random. Someone saying the random, like Aman. Aman, why you told random? Intentional or what? Say this one. Yeah, coming to the stack. Stack is the linear data structure. Aman, give the reply. Linear data structure. And one more point. One more point is the stack working on one principle. Which principle? LIFO principle. Whatever the stack we have, that stack working on LIFO principle. Okay. Guys, what is the LIFO? Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Fine. I will show one diagram. Aman, reply Aman. Why Aman, why you are giving the random data structure? Now try to say this one. Here, I will show the one diagrammatic representation, then you can get some clarity. Yeah, now try to see this diagram. Yeah, guys, this is one stack. This is one stack. Guys, this is what pushing operation. All the elements we are pushing here. And here, what we are doing, we are popping the elements. Guys, only one way na? Only one way, or we have the two ways? Only one way na? See this one. In the same route, I need to perform the push operation. In the same route, I wanted to perform the pop operation also. Then this diagram we can call the, what do you call? Last in, first out. Fine. This operation, what do you call? Push operation. And this operation, what do you call? Pop operation. And I will share the screenshots to you. No need to worry. Now, guys, let me check this push diagram. We need to check this push diagram. Okay. If we check this push diagram, guys, is a stack empty initially? Is a stack empty initially? Am I right or not? Stack is the empty. Lakshmi, in that stack, which element we are pushing? Which element we are pushing? 20 we are pushing here. And next, which element we are pushing? 30. And which element we are pushing? 89. See this one here. At the end, which element we are pushing? 80. Yeah, Lakshmi, can you tell which element pushed last? Which element pushed last? 18 or not? 18. We pushed the 18 is the last. If you wanted to remove, which element will remove first? If you wanted to remove, which element will remove first? Anyone? Which element? 18. 18 will remove first here. Not 20, 18. See this one. Whatever the last inserted element, whatever the last inserted element is there, that element will be popped first. Then this principle we can call the, whatever the principle we have, this principle we can call the LIFO, last in, first out. Last in, first out. Fine. Then I will share the diagram, guys. Now, go to the one more diagram, that diagram representing the pop operation. Check the pop-up. Yes. Guys, see this one. What is the top element? Can I tell the top element? What is the top element? 18. Whenever we perform pop operation, which element will pop? Which element will be popped? 18 will be popped. Whenever we perform pop operation again, which will be popped? 45. Next one. Which one will be popped? 11. Yes or not? Next one. Which one will be popped? 90. Yes, so who will remove first? Who will remove first? 18. Who will remove next? 45. Who will remove next? 11. And who will remove next? 90. Later, who will remove next? 89. Next, 13. Next one, 20. Then this diagram representing the pop operation. And one more thing. One more thing is the, check this one. Fine. Now, assume this one here. Guys, what is the top equal to? Top equal to 1. How many elements are there? 0th position and first position. 0th position and first position. Then this time diagram representing the top equal to 1. And one more thing. Check this one, guys. if a top equal to -1, guys, if a top equal to -1, what is the indication? Whenever the top equal to -1, what is the indication? Stack is empty. Whatever the stack we have, that stack is the empty. Fine. And one more point. Guys, if a top equal to 0, if a top equal to 0, what is the meaning? If a top equal to 0, what is the meaning? Has an element. Only one element is there. Guys, n-1. What is the n-1? Stack is full. Guys, n. What is n? Stack is overflow. Remember these four things. These four things are very, very important. Guys, if a top equal to -1, if a top equal to -1, what is the meaning? If a top equal to -1, can I tell the meaning here? The meaning is the stack is empty. If a top equal to 0, if a top equal to 0, what is the meaning? Array contain only one element. And n-1, what is n-1? Stack is full. Our stack is full here. Next one. And another thing. N, what is the n? Stack is overflow. No space. No space in the stack. So that is the meaning of n. I'm showing the diagrams roughly, then understand the diagrams. What are the diagrams we have? The diagrams I need to explain again here, then you need to understand clearly. Guys, this diagram representing what? Top equal to -1. Top equal to -1 means what? No element in the stack. Then I will share this diagram. No, go to the push diagram. Fine. Guys, is the stack empty initially? Is the stack empty initially? Yes, the stack is empty. And which element we are pushing? Which element we are pushing here? We are pushing one element here. The element is the 20 here. Next one. And another thing. After pushing, which element we are pushing? 13, 89, 90, 11. And another thing is the 45. Next one is the 18. All the elements we are pushing or not? Whatever the elements are there, all the elements we are pushing here. Fine. So this is a diagram representing the push diagram. And another thing. Let me go to the pop diagram also. I need to go to the pop diagram. Fine. Guys, in this stack, if I perform pop operation, in this diagram, if I perform pop operation, who will remove first? 18. Who will remove next? 45. Next one, 11. Next one, 90. Next one, 89. Next one, 30. Next one, 20. Then this diagram representing the pop diagram here. And one more thing. Guys, top equal to -1. What is the meaning? Top equal to -1. What is the meaning? At least one person. Top equal to -1. What is the meaning? Meaning top equal to -1. Can anyone tell what's the top equal to -1? Stack is empty or not? Stack is empty. And top equal to 0. Top equal to 0. Can anyone explain what is the top equal to 0? Top equal to 0. Top equal to 0 means it has an element. Coming to there itself, it has an element. And the top equal to n. And the top equal to n. Answer. Top equal to n overflow. Overflow. Top equal to n-1. Top equal to n-1. Stack is full. Then remember that values. But stacks are very simple in the Java. Not only Java, in other languages also stack is very simple because we have some predefined methods out there. Through that methods we can implement it easily. Fine. Can I go for the first basic program on the stack? Can I go to the first basic program on the stack? Let me go to the first basic program on the stack. First basic program on the stack we need to see. Now, how we can work up? Fine. Guys, how to define one stack? I wanted to define one stack. How we can define stack? Stack. This tag should contain only integers. Arrays also I will tell. Pramod, I will tell the arrays also. Fine. Stack. Whatever the stack I am taking care, this tag should contain only integers. Should contain only integers here now. So because of that reason. Fine. Next one. Here we need to go for the stack. Stack equal to, here we need to go for new stack. New stack. Yes, automatically we are able to create the stack object. Then I will tell you the what's the memory location and everything I will tell you. First of all, let me execute the basic program. Fine. Guys, is this stack contain any element? Is this stack contain any element? No element, no element. Check it. Whether it contain element or you need to check. Stack dot, which one? Empty. Stack dot empty. And here catch the result. Catch the result here. Here simply we need to catch the result here. Boolean result. And print the result. Whatever the result we have, that result we need to print. Let me go for the result. System.out.println of result. Where we are getting the bracket, guys? We are seeing line number 10. Why? Yes, answer is the true. Guys, what's the meaning of true? What's the meaning of true? Answer, what's the meaning of true? It won't contain anything now. What's the meaning of true? It won't contain anything. Stack is empty here. Now, push the elements. We should be in a position, we need to push the element. Stack dot push. Guys, ready-made methods, guys. We're very happy here. We have so many ready-made methods are available in the Java language. Now, how to push it? 100. And push some other element also. Stack dot push of 200. And push other element also. Stack dot push of 300. And push some other element also. And push some other elements also. Push 3 to 4 elements. Here we need to go to stack dot push of 400. And push some other element also. Which element? Stack dot push of 500. Fine. Guys, how many elements we pushed? How many elements we pushed? Answer. How many elements we pushed here? 5. So guys, which one is the top element now? Which one is the top element? I need the top element. No, someone saying 100 wrong. Top element is the 500. Now print it. I need to print it. System dot out dot println of. System dot out dot println of stack. Whatever the stack we have, we should be in a position we need to print that stack. Try to print the stack. Whatever the stack we have, we should be in a position we need to print that stack and run the code. Yes, guys, see this one here. What is the element we have? What is the last pushed element? What is the last pushed element? Last pushed element is the 500 here. Never is 100, guys. Never is 100 here. Last pushed element is the 500 here. Now you need to rotate this array to the exactly minus 90 degrees. Whenever you run this array to the exactly minus 90 degrees, then you can get the correct stack here. Fine. And check it out. Whether it is empty or contain any element, I need to check. Copy paste. Now we will get the false now. Yes. Now we are able to see the false. Why we are getting the false? Yeah, Firoz internal arrays only. Firoz internal arrays only. No need to worry. Execute this code. All the people please reply. How to check is a stack empty or not? How to check is a stack empty or not? Anyone guys, how to check is a stack empty or not? With the help of which function? Empty function. We have a ready-made function. That function we can call empty function. And one more thing, how to push the element? How to push the element? I wanted to push the element. How we can push? With the help of push function. And execute this code. Guys, so whoever watching on the YouTube and whoever attending the session, this is a class for the awareness about the data structures. Please support the academic people. Kiran, I will tell. Execute it. I will get the 5 minutes of time. Within 5 minutes, you need to run this code. After running the code, give the confirmation. If you're able to run the code, then I will go for the other example. Srivastav, give the time to the other people. Siddiq, what is your question? Siddiq, what is your question? Guys, write the code for this example. You people should write the code for this example. Write the code for this example. Create stack. Create a stack to store strings. To store strings. Fine. Store any string, not an issue. I wanted to store full stack, and I wanted to store full stack, and I wanted to store DSA, and I wanted to store DS, and I wanted to store DA, and I wanted to store Marana stack. Write the code. Create a stack to store the strings. To create the stack to store the strings. Write the answer. I'm waiting here. Right answer, Abdul. Right answer. Satish Shekhar, you are watching on the YouTube, Satish Shekhar. Can I continue? Yes, Mani, right answer. Yes, can I continue, guys? Let me continue here. I wanted to continue. Guys, I wanted to iterate it. Later, you can iterate your string array. Guys, I wanted to iterate it. Iterate this stack. How we can iterate this stack? Siddhika, tell me. Siddhika, can I wait? Siddhika, do I need to wait? You are sending sir. Next one. Iterate it. Guys, I want to iterate it. How we can iterate it? To iterate, we have one ready-made method. We have one ready-made method. That method we can call iterator method. What is the method we have? We have one ready-made method here. That method we can call iterator method. Iterator method. Whenever we call iterator, it will return iterator object. Say this one. If you want to iterate all stack elements, we have one ready-made function. What is that function? Iterator function. Automatically, it will return iterator object. Fine. Now say this one. Check whether we have the element or not. I wanted to check whether we have element or not. How to check? I wanted to check. How we can check here? While iterator dot has next. While iterator dot has next. So say this one here. What is the use of this method? I'm checking whether we have the next element or not. Next element. Fine. If next element available, I wanted to read that element. How we can read that element? Iterator dot next. Simply we need to go to iterator dot what? Iterator dot next. So here we need to print it. Can I print it directly? Yes, sir. Whatever we have, that one I wanted to print directly. Now let me check our log. Yes, automatically we are able to iterate it. Whatever the elements are there, that elements we are able to iterate it here. Now execute this code also. Srivastav nothing. Srivastav reading all the elements. If you wanted to read all the elements, if you wanted to read a predefined, nothing, that's a predefined. If you wanted to read all the elements, we have a predefined function. What is that function? Iterator function. We have a predefined function. That predefined function is the iterator function. Yes, that's a predefined. I'm saying like these functions are the predefined in the stack. Execute this code also. Satya Durga, ask your question. Show the code now. Which code you need? This code you need. Let me complete it with the Java. Then if you have the time, then I will go for the C++ also. Hemant, try it. It will execute. A string also will execute. Once completed, give the confirmation. Then I will go for the another iteration also. Guys, can I show the one more alternative solution? Yes, let me go for the one more alternative solution. Don't go for the iterator. No need to go for the iterator here. Instead of iterator, we have the alternative solution. So let me go for the alternative solution. Stack data. We need to go to stack data. Stack dot. Here we have one predefined function. What is that function? Predefined method. What is that method? For each method. And here we need to pass element. Then pass the arrow function. Arrow function or lambda expression. Some people they're calling the lambda expression also. That is also correct. Now say this one. Here print the element directly. Whatever the element we have, that element we need to print directly. How we can print that element directly? Say this one. System dot out dot which one? System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println of print that element. Whatever the element we have, happily we need to print that element. These lambda expressions are introduced in Java 8. Yes, happily we are able to run the code, we are able to see the result. So this is the solution 1 and this is the solution 2. Solution 1 is the happily go for the iterator. That is the old approach. And the solution 2 is the go for the for each. We need to go to the for each. Guys, each stack element store to 2 element. Each stack element store to 2 element. And we need to print that element. Fine. Execute this code. Let me run it and give the confirmation. Then I will go for another example. This is the lambda expression, that one we have in the Java 8. So this is a shortcut code. See this one. This is a for each method will store each element to the element. Each value to the element. Firoz, can you ask again? Where you are lagging, Firoz? Firoz, where you are lagging, then I will help you. Yes. Line number 1. Where is the line number 1? You are saying line number 1, huh? You are saying the issue with the line number 1, huh? Yes, see this one. This is the predefined class now. Stack is the predefined class. This is a predefined class available in this package. So this is the predefined. This is the predefined available in the Java framework. To use this one, you should import this package. Satyanarayana, you can use anything. I'm showing the 2 solutions to you. Solution 1 and solution 2. No, let me go through the another thing. I need to go through the another thing here. Firoz, try to go through the another thing here. I will tell few more methods here. Here we have the one more ready-made method. That a method we can call search method. That a method we can call which method here? The method we can call is the search method here. Like a Dell laptop. My laptop is the Dell. Say this one. Check whether the Dell available or not. I wanted to search particular element available or not. To search particular element available or not, we have one predefined function. What is that function? Search function. We have one predefined function. What is that function? Search function here. Now, and another thing. This search function will return location. Whatever the search function is there, this search function will return the location of that particular element. Next one. Here we have one more method. Here we have one more method. What is that method? Size method. We have the one more predefined method. The method is the size method. It will return size of stack. It will return size of the stack. Stack contain how many number of elements. And another thing is that I want to access top element in the stack. To access top element in the stack, then we have the peak function. We have one more function, then that function we can call the peak function. Firoz, reply again here. How to perform the search operation? Firoz, how to perform the search operation? Can you answer? Firoz Srivastav, how to perform the search operation? We have one ready-made function. That function we can call search function. And Satyashekar, tell me, how to know the size, how to know the number of elements in the stack by using size function. How to access top element? I want to access the top element. If you want to access the top element, then we need to go for the peak function. Peak function is used to access the top element. Fine. Now, let me run it. I want to run it. Now, say this one. How to create a stack? Answer. How to create a stack? Stack. Store what only? Strings. Now, here go to which one? Stack. Equal to which one? New stack. New stack. Next one. How to push the data? I wanted to push the data. How we gonna push the data? Stack dot. How we gonna push the data? Stack dot push. Stack dot push. We need to push Dell laptop. And here, simply we need to push the Dell laptop. Next one. I wanted to push one more thing here. Stack data. Stack dot push. Stack dot push. I wanted to push the HP laptop also. Here I wanted to push Lenovo laptop also. And here I wanted to push Acer laptop also. Acer laptop also. So we're able to push all the elements now. 4 elements we're able to push. Fine. Guys, check it out. Is it a empty stack or not? I wanted to check. Is it a empty stack or not? How to check it? How to check it? Stack dot. Stack dot. Which function I need to call? Empty function. It will return what? It will return what? Boolean or not? Boolean flag. Guys, flag will contain true or false. Flag will contain true or false. Anyone? Flag will contain true or false. False or not? Now the flag will contain the false. Yes, now the answer is the false here. Now access the top element. I want to access the top element. How we can access the top element? Topmost element. We should be in a position. We need to access the top element here. How we can access? Stack dot. We should be in a position. We need to go for the stack dot peak. What is the method name? What is the method name? The method name is the peak method. Whenever we call the peak method, automatically we're able to access the top element. Yes, guys. So what is the top element? Can I tell the top element? What's the top element? The top element is the Acer or not? What's the top element? Acer. And another thing. One more thing is the, let me go through the another thing here. Guys, know the size of it. I want to know the size of it. How we will know the size of it? How we will know the size of it? Simply, I need to go to the size of it here. Size of it. How to know the size of it? Stack dot size. Stack dot size. Whenever we call the stack dot size, automatically we will know the size of the stack. Yes. What is the size of the stack? 4 elements are there. Now here we have the 4 elements. Now execute this code also. Do it fast, guys, and I will do the one more example. Do it fast. I'm requesting all the people, do it little bit fast. Do it fast. Once we completed, then I will go for another example. Guys, are you people learning something at least a basic level? Academic people, academic level students, are you learning something with the reply? At least a basic level. Are we getting the benefit of this one? Say yes or no. Guys, reply. All the second year students, third year students, you people need to take you. Are you getting the benefit of this awareness about the data structures? Kirtana? Yeah, Mani, I will try to cover the C language also. Mani, I can understand. You are saying like, sir, please cover with the C language manual creation. Srivastav, wait here, I will execute one more program, then I will talk with you. MLOC, LOC, Kiran, answer is the dynamic memory allocation or go for the array creation. Go for the array creation. MLOC, MLOC, dynamic memory allocation is there. Through that one, we can declare in the CPP. Now, let me go for the one more example. Nadim, I will try it. Let me go for the one more example. Now, guys, how to declare one stack? I wanted to declare one stack. Can you answer? How to declare one stack here? Will you people answer? How to declare one stack here? Stack. In this stack, I wanted to store integers only. Let me store the integers. Stack equal to. Stack equal to. Now we need to go for the new stack. Let me cover tomorrow. Let me try in the tomorrow. Now our objective is one. Let me continue. Fine. Next one. And one more thing. And one more thing is the call one method. Instead of direct pushing, I wanted to push. I wanted to push through one method. How we can push through one method? I wanted to push through one method again. How we can push implementation or push element. Push element. I wanted to pass the push element. For the push element, call the stack object and pass the 100. We should be in a position we need to pass the 100. Now say this one. Guys, is it a stack? Guys, is it a stack? Yes, this is the stack. And which function, which method we created? Push element function. And here, how many arguments we supplied here? How many arguments we supplied? 2 arguments we supplied here. One is the stack, another thing is the some number. Now, create that method. we should be in a position we need to create that method. Can I explain how we can create that method? Is it a static method? Yes, sir. What is the return type? Nothing. Void return type. Now, what is the method name? What is the method name? The method name is the push element method. Here, how many parameters are there? 2 parameters. Stack. Next one is the, and here we need to pass the integer. Stack. Next one is the, we need to pass the integer element here. Simply, we need to pass the integer element here. Now, guys, this is a stack object stored here. This is 100 stored here. How to push this 100 to the, how to push this 100 to the stack here? How to push? Answer. Stack dot push. Stack dot push off. We need to pass the element. After pushing, print the stack. After pushing, we should be in a position. I need to print the stack. How we can print the stack? Println. Println of whatever the stack we have, that stack we need to print. Now run it. Yes, automatically we're able to push the 100. Now, guys, call this method a number of times. Whatever the method we have, this method I need to call the number of times. Second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. Now, in this time, pass what? Pass the 200. And pass the what? Pass the 300. And we should pass the 400. And we should pass the 500. Pass the 500 and run the code. Whatever the code we have, that code we need to run. Yes, automatically we're able to push the element. Fine. Push the element with one user defined method. Do it fast. Do it up to now. Once completed, then give the confirmation. Once a few people completed, give the confirmation. Done now? Fine. Yes. Go through the guys pop operation also. We should be in a position we need to perform the pop operation also. Here we should be in a position we need to perform which operation? Pop operation. But how many elements we have? Can you get the confirmation how many elements we have? How many elements we have? 5 elements. But if I'm trying to pop 6 times, is it possible? Is it possible? I'm trying to pop 6 times. Is it possible? No. Automatically, it will raise one exception or not. Automatically, it will raise one exception. So we need to catch that exception or not. We should be in a position we need to catch that exception as an underflow. Yes, our point is right. So how to handle exception also? To handle exception, here we have try catch blocker. Try catch blocker. So which exception I need to handle? I need to handle empty stack exception. Empty stack exception. Guys, when will it rise? When will it rise? Answer. When will it rise? Anyone? Can anyone tell when it will rise here? If we are trying to perform underflow, if we are trying to perform which operation? Underflow, automatically we will get empty stack exception. Now here print it. We should be in a position we need to print it. How we need to print it here? Println of exception object. Now call your own method here. I want to call our own method. Pop element. Pop element of pass which object? Stack object. Pop element. Which object we are passing? Stack object. Fine. Here, create this method also. Can you help me how to create this method? Can anyone help me how to create this method? Yeah, tell me. Can you tell how to do the pop element method? Anyone? How to create the pop element method here? Static which method? Void pop element. And pass whose object? Stack object. Stack. Now, guys, perform pop operation. How we can perform the pop operation? Now, here we need to go to println of stack dot. Which operation you wanted to perform? Pop operation. Whatever the pop operation we have, that pop operation we need to perform. After performing the pop operation, then you need to run it. Yes, guys, which element popped? Guys, which element popped? 500 popped na? What are the 500? We have that 500 popped here. Now, call the method around 5 times. Call the method around 5 times. Whatever the method we have, that method we need to call around 5 times. Yes, automatically it will be popped 5 times. Next one. Go to the another thing. Go to the another thing here. Guys, I'm trying to pop again here. I'm trying to pop again. Yes, whenever you are trying to pop again here, automatically we will get the exception. Which exception? Empty stack exception. Fine. Execute this code also. Srivastav, I will send it up. You are asking complete code. Can you share the screenshots? Srivastav, let me share the screenshots. I sent all the screenshots, then you people need to download. And implement it once. If you complete, then give the confirmation whether you are able to do or not. Whoever completed, give the confirmation. Yes, whoever completed, you can drop it. Yes, sir. Completed people, you can drop it. You can drop the session. Whoever completed the execution, then you can people drop it. Good night, guys. Someone saying Daman, good night. So Srivastav, send our question. I will talk with you, Srivastav. Send our question, then I will help you. Sir, on day 3, your brief explanation time complexity. On a Friday, I will tell it. On a Friday, I will tell it. Time complexity, I will tell on the Friday. Tomorrow, let me cover the queue, and the day after tomorrow, let me cover the linked list. Definitely, I will cover that one. That time complexity, once again, I will cover on the Friday session. Without completing that time complexity, we won't close the session. So don't worry regarding that. So that's the question one. Another question, second question. Leave it to Srivastav. While sometime I will ask you share your screen here. Then you can share your screen, then you can show the answers. Okay. Meanwhile, can you share your screen, Srivastav? Share your screen, show me the output, and explain that code also. Check it whether you are able to share the screen or not, Srivastav. Or just wait. Just wait here. Then you can do it later, not an issue. Maybe tomorrow, just keep all the files with you only. Sometime I will ask you, share your screen. Srivastav, wait. Anyhow, before closing the session, sir, then definitely you can show your assignments. Sir. Completed people, you can drop it. Yes, I think I forget it. Then do the search operation. I forget it. Can you do the search operation? You can do the search operation, not an issue. No, you can do the search operation, not an issue. Then go for the, you are asking like search method, na? No, see this one, search element. You are asking, sir, how to do the search element. To perform search element, pass the what? Stack. And pass the what? Element you wanted to search. Which element you wanted to search here. Now, and perform search operation on the top itself. Perform the search operation here. Perform the search operation here before popping. Fine. Now, how to create the search operation? How to create the method here? Static search element. Search element. Pass the what? We should pass the stack and pass the which one? Element. And perform the operation. How we can perform the operation? Stack dot which one? Search. And pass the element and print it. How we can print it? We should be in a position we need to print it. Yes, see this one. It is available in the location 5. 100 available in the location 5. Fine. Now, this is the search operation. Someone asked, sir, where is the search operation? Create one method. Create one method and implement that method here. Automatically, we are able to perform the search operation. Yeah. Whoever completed drop the session, you can drop it. Susmita, you can hand over it.
Sure, sir. So students, again, I have posted the attendance link on the chat. If you have missed to mark out the attendance, kindly mark the attendance. We'll wait for 2 minutes, then we'll wind up the session. Kindly mark your attendance. As we told, it's mandatory to mark the attendance. 60% would be there to get the certificate. So make sure that you will be marking your attendance. Then only drop the session. We'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll wind up the session. Kindly mark the attendance. Okay, guys, I hope you all marked your attendance. So we'll wind up for the day. Thank you all. We'll meet again on tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, students. Good night. We'll meet again by tomorrow. Thank you all. So some students are asking about the certificate. So your session is for 15 days. So you have to wait after 15 days. After your session, you have to wait for 10 days or 15 days, then you will receive your certificate. First, kindly complete the course, then you will receive the certificate. Okay. Okay, I hope you all clear. I have cleared all your doubts. Thank you, guys. Thank you.